This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You have the essentials ready: an active Teams account and calendar access. First, open the Teams calendar and click New Meeting. Once done, type a concise, specific title and pick the date, start and end times, and correct time zone so attendees see accurate slots. Make sure to select whether this is a channel meeting or private event. Channel meetings post to that Teams channel and save chat and files automatically. This starts the scheduling flow quickly and consistently. Now refine who and how. You add attendees and then use the scheduling assistant to check conflicts and pick the optimal slot. This avoids back and forth. Next, set recurrence for repeating sessions and click meeting options to control lobby behavior, who can present, and whether recording is allowed. Attach the agenda and any prep files so people arrive ready. If external guests join, include dial-in numbers and clear instructions. Once done, save or send the invite so Outlook and Teams sync. At meeting time, join a few minutes early to verify audio, video, and sharing permissions. Make sure your presenter role is set so you can share content. During the session, record if needed and use chat to drop links and resources. Capture action items in meeting notes. After the meeting, immediately send a follow-up with the recording and clear next steps. Troubleshooting tip: if attendees can't join the audio, ask them to switch from computer audio to dial-in numbers or restart the Teams app. This resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.